Imagine it's your family's first Christmas in London. The city is a wonderland with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the air is filled with the sweet aroma of roasted chestnuts. You're walking down Oxford Street, hand in hand with your children, their eyes wide with delight at the spectacle of lights. The joy is palpable, the laughter contagious. It's a magical experience, one that your family will cherish forever. There's nothing quite like Christmas in London. Now, wouldn't you want to create your own magical holiday memories in this vibrant city? London has a myriad of attractions that families will love. Let's start with the Natural History Museum, a treasure trove of over 80 million items, where dinosaurs come to life and the mysteries of the natural world unfold. Next, ignite your curiosity at the Science Museum. It's a sensory feast of interactive exhibits, making learning fun for all ages. Don't miss a ride on the iconic London Eye, offering panoramic views of the city's skyline. It's a mesmerizing spectacle that will have everyone's eyes wide open in awe. The Tower of London, steeped in history and mystery, is a must-visit. Be entranced by tales of its past, from royal residence to prison. Lastly, the London Zoo, home to an array of fascinating creatures from around the world. Here, you'll come face to face with your favorite animals, making it a hit with the little ones. These attractions are just the start of what London has to offer. Each one promises an unforgettable experience for the entire family. After a day of exploration and fun, you'll need a comfortable place to rest. The Premier Inn London City Aldgate welcomes families with open arms. The Novotel London City South offers spacious rooms perfect for family bonding. Park Plaza Westminster Bridge is known for its kid-friendly amenities. The Ibis Styles London Southwark provides a cozy space in a bustling city. Lastly, the Holiday Inn London, Kensington High Saint offers a home away from home. These hotels ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay for the whole family in the heart of London. What's a family trip without delicious food? Welcome to a culinary journey in London, where our taste buds will dance with delight. Let's start with the Rainforest Cafe, a jungle-themed restaurant with an exciting menu. Then, there's the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company, a paradise for seafood lovers. Next, we have the iconic Hard Rock Cafe, a must-visit for rock and roll fans. For tech-savvy diners, we recommend Inimo Covent Garden with its interactive tables. Lastly, the Golden Chippy offers traditional English fish and chips. These restaurants not only serve delicious food but also provide a fun and memorable dining experience for the whole family. Before we wrap up, we have a special recommendation for you. Be sure to visit the Winter Wonderland event in Hyde Park. It's a must-see during the Christmas season in London, full of festive cheer, breathtaking sights, and fun for all ages. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more family travel ideas. Remember, more details about the hotels and attractions will be in the comments. Enjoy your Christmas trip to London.